The civil authorities have issued a fire warning for Butte, CA, beginning at 7:16 p.m. and ending at 10:16 p.m. The CSO evacuation order. CSO website 83351253778.
Fire warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of Butte County. Butte County Sheriff's Office. Evacuation order Condor Road fire info. The CSO website 83351. Fire warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of Butte County. Butte County. At the request of Butte County. Butte County Sheriff's Office. Evacuation order. 33512-5378.